Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Steam Remote Play. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the store, library, community, and we have, as you can see, your profile. Also in the middle of the screen, we have a bar where you have your store, new and noteworthy categories, in your search bar, and all of those things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Steam Remote Play. So Steam Remote Play is a fantastic feature that lets you stream your games from your PC to other devices, allowing you to play anywhere. Open Steam and go to settings. So basically you have the top left corner where you can click on you can click on Steam, and the second option before last is settings. After that, click on Remote Play. It is, as you can see on the bottom here, it is the third from the bottom. Then download and install Steam Link app on the device you want to use for playing. This app is available for iOS, Android, and other devices. Then open the Steam Link app and follow the instruction to connect it to your PC. You'll need to enter a code displayed on your PC to pair the devices. Start a game you want to play on your PC. On your device, open the Steam Link app and you should see your PC listed. If you want to play with friends, open the Steam Overlay game, press Shift plus Tab, go to your friend list, right click on a friend, and select Remote Play Together. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.